inyong lahat. Welcome dito sa ating Cinemalaya Bend Red Carpet. At exciting, ako po ay very excited na maging bahagi ng Cinemalaya. This year, wala pong pelikula, red carpet lang, okay?
Wala.
Actually, natuloy natin ang ating mga film.
Ito talaga yung pinunta namin dito.
Oo, totoo po yan. Para po kami mag-audition para sa kanila dito sa ating carpet ng CCP. Ayan. Ako nga po pala si Kaki Teodoro. Magandang hapon.
Po si Nico Manalo. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Grabe. Truly, what an honor na makasama ang isang Cinemalaya pioneer.
Ako rin. What an honor na makasama ang isang pioneer sa hosting sa Pilipinas.
Hoy, Nico. Alam niyo, masaya rin po ako. Extra happy ako ngayon si Nico po ay isa sa aking mga pinakamagaling na kaibigan talaga. Mula po kami sa teatro, pero alam ko po si Nico sa Cinemalaya 2. Wow! Sa Cinemalaya 2, nag-audition na to. Diba?
Oo, bata.
Oo, diba? Naalala mo?
Dos pa o first? Hindi ako sure.
Naalala mo yun? Ano yung tsura nung may panel?
Oo, mahaba ang pila. Mahaba ang pila dati. Ganun ang Cinemalaya, di ba? Para sa mga nakakaalam, ang exciting Cinemalaya, yung pila.
Yung pila.
At pang oras ng pipila.
Oo, tulad ito. Diba? Masaya yun.
Mahina yun. Maliit
Oo.
yung pila.
Pero talaga totoo, tama ka dyan eh, kasi parte yun ng journey, ng kultura ng Cinemalaya.
Oo, iba-ibang tao makikita mo sa mga audition ng Cinemalaya.
Oo. Tapos kapag nanonood ka na ng pelikula, naku, tatanungin mo, ano papanoorin mo? Nandito ka buong araw? Diba?
Ang dami parang pila sa MRT. Cinemalaya.
Diba?
Kailangan pumili ka agad-agad, hindi ka makakapanood.
Tama, oo, puso ka ng ticket.
Puso ka ng ticket.
Oo. Ay, nandito tayo. Magsisimula na tayo. Cultural Center of the Philippines, diba?
First time natin dito sa Ayala Malls, no?
First time natin dito sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. But then also, after the pandemic, we also started to host Cinemalaya in different parts of the Philippines.
Yes. Pero ngayon lang nag-opening, kaya excited ako makita ang mga tao kasama natin ngayong araw.
Correct.
Ayan na nakapila.
Ayan na po. Kaya this afternoon especially, we have someone very special because she was in charge of hosting Cinemalaya 2022 at Kapitan. So we have Ms. Venlana Calosos de Leon.
Hello po.
So nice to see you po again. Hello po. Please.
Ito po tayo.
And along with Mr. Carlo Ortega. Ay, Marlon Ortega.
Hi.
Yes, hello po. Yes. Hello po kayo dito sa ating podcast po. Yung ako magkakasya po tayo. Kasya po tayo dito sa karahan.
Mas importante kung nakita kayo.
Yes! Wonderful! Ayan, dito po tayo sa loob. Papagitaan po namin kayo ni Nico Manalo.
Yes.
Let's have a big photo op first. Thank you very much. And we have a few questions for Miss Lana. Yes! It's wonderful also seeing Miss Lana because we come from the same world of theater. Yes. And how does it feel now that you're here in Manila and also are able to, join Cinemalaya in this year's festivities po? Yapin po kasi inyo. Ayan. Yan po. Sige po. Sige po.
It feels surreal to be on the other side of the spectrum kasi galing tayo sa artista and now I'm wearing another hat as a producer for the films in Cannes that was just shown in May. The Philippines was the spotlight for Cannes Directors Fortnight where we featured 4 Philippine short films. And Dapitan was, LGU Dapitan and Dakak Resort was one of the sponsors for this to be realized.
Yes. Why is it so important for you to support Cinemalaya or Philippine cinema?
Well, personally, I think it really allows, for me, it has a special meaning because it supports actors, it supports art. And I think right now I'm with a whole crowd of artists, itong mga nakalili, including my mother here who was also a singer. So it's our way of supporting the industry of performers. And on the other end, kasi some of us here representing Dakak Resort also, we're talking about tourism. So I am very much a believer of film tourism, where I think there's really a connection between both. We can start to feature Philippine seascapes, naturescapes, through film and hopefully makikilala parang K-drama, di ba? Nagiging addict tayo ng Korea dahil sa film. So yun din ang pangarap natin for Philippines, more Philippine produced in Philippine settings para makilala yung kultura natin across the world.
Wonderful. Perfectly said. We're very, very happy to have you here. It's a landmark year kasi Cinemalaya 20. Grabe, 20 years. Grabe na talaga. Kaya truly, we're very, very grateful for all of the support, especially our dear LGUs. And thank you for highlighting talaga Philippine tourism via cinema. Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, pwede ba natin palakpakan si Miss Hannah Calostos for her unending support. And so right now, feel free to listen and relax and enjoy as we head inside and enjoy our opening ceremony. So wonderful to see you all, Paul. Good afternoon. Ang ganda.
Ayan, may nakikita ko mga palagi.
Batch one.
Ay, eto na.
I need our proper, ay sir.
Sir, ito parang kilala ko to.
Okay na lang kinakain ko. Batch one, Cinemalaya. Our pioneers. Let's go. Sige po, ayan po. Batch one. Nice to see you all po. Ha? Kasi tayo rin po ba ay batch one?
Hindi.
Parang naramdaman ko yung, no, hindi batch one.
Sa batch 1?
Hindi ka batch 20, current batch ko.
Sige, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ipaalala lang po natin sa kanila kung ano po yung mga pelikula natin yung batch 1 ng Cinemalaya. At kailan po yun?
Ayan. Grabe, mus pa lamang tayo.
Ito, may pelikula batch 1, Finally Back, Snacks, Bautista, Marioke,
I See You Bed, number 9. My films are already our film, Maximo Olivero. What else? Ano pa? Big Time. Last Phone Call. Wow. Parang tapos yung shorts, Mansion, Babae, yung sa nag-create sila,
So ano pa kayo po nung unang-unang nag-Cinemalaya para sa inyong mga filmmakers na gusto syempre magkwento ng mga kakaibang kwento na hindi natin usually na mapanood iba sa sine?
Well, what's so different from the first batch is that everybody were just dreaming of putting their ideas, putting their vision into film. And what happened was we became very close that batch. We have, of course, Sir Doy Del Mundo on one side, and then we have Sigrid Maro Sanchez on the other side. So but we had the full spectrum. Actually, most, if not all of the 10 finalists were my colleagues already in the industry. So a lot of us went in workshops. Sir Doy was my jury in Gawa at CCP. Gano'n. So parang it became such a close na batch na naghihiraman kami ng budgets, ng camera. So parang we shared our resources. And I personally felt we didn't compete with each other, but we competed with ourselves. We wanted to do our best film, our way, without having to, compete. So,
Wonderful.
Yan ang pioneer.
Yan talaga. Ito talaga yung pioneer.
Yan, totoo ang pioneer.
Talaga ka sa atin
Oo.
doon. At mula naman po para sa ating mga pioneers, pwede po ba tayo kumami sa ating camera sabihin natin, Cinemalaya 20. 1, 2, 3.
Cinemalaya 20!
At bilang panguli, sabay-sabay po tayo. A, isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Baka pa tayo, 20 anos pa rin.
20 anos pa lang. Thank you!
Maraming salamat po. And see you po inside sa ating opening ceremony. Ayan, ito na talaga yung mga totoong.
Ayan, okay. 19, 18, oh, by numbers, sige, 18. May hindi pa po ba dyan? 18?
Alumni.
Alumni, okay, sige po. Yes, all alumni.
First
together.
alumni batch. Hello po.
Everyone, please change.
Alumni batch. Ayan. Ayan, sa ating unang alumni batch. Hello po. Yes, meron po ba tayong gustong tawagin na nagtatawag
Tawagin na natin
dyan?
batch 18, kaya tawag kayo ni Ate Mahan.
Okay. Cinemalaya batch 18 daw po. Ayan. Kung meron pa daw po Cinemalaya batch 18.
Batch 18, gusto niyo po isabay na.
Join us over here. Ayan.
Ayan, pero ito hindi masyadong malayo.
Oo.
Batch 18
A few years ago lang po. Oo. What are you guys looking forward to ngayong Cinemalaya 20? Ay,
Yan,
diba?
Looking forward to
Looking
this.
forward to.
actually mga females pa outside
Tama.
so lahat yan suporta.
I'm really excited of returning to the theaters.
Yes.
So super looking forward to experiencing this warm and exciting celebration of Filipinos and where everyone's here.
Yes.
I'm happy na mas accessible ang edition this year. We have so many venues all across Metro Manila. We get to see more audiences enjoy the films that we enjoy.
Yes. Yes, and I'm finally so.
Hindi siya siya pagpipilang ng punch ko. Anyway, masaya po ako kasi nag-start na ulit ng pandemic na data independent cinema sa Pilipinas.
Oo, sa 21. Sa next year, masasali tayo ulit? Looking forward.
Mali po yung tanong ko na pressure si...
Oo. Pero ang maganda dyan, sana po makapag-audition kami kung sasali kayo sa 21. Diba? Ayan po. Maraming salamat! Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ipot natin.
Batch 18. And tama po yung sinabi nila, we're looking forward to all of the support. Ay, ang ating next batch. Let's alumni batch. Ay, ang ating mga kasama right now ay short film directors for this year. Tama po ba? Cinemalaya Bente. Welcome po. Sino lahat sa po tayo dito?
For the film, All This Wanted Space. Wasted, sorry, my bad. Wasted Space.
Hello, all this wasted space. Okay, maaari mo bang magpakilala tayo isa-isa?
Hello, I'm Chris. I'm the film director of All This Wasted Space.
I'm Angie, cast on all the series.
I am Hannah Grace. I'm the production director.
Hello, I'm Nick, assistant director from
And I have a question for you guys. How does it feel to be part of this year's Cinemalaya? Ito ba ay first time na makasama sa Cinemalaya? Yes? For everybody? Wow! Congratulations! Nakita kayo pala kami. First time nila makasama.
First time nila.
Anong feeling? Anong feeling din?
Masaya and excited because it's first Cinemalaya. So just want to enjoy the festival.
How about you? Is it also your first time, right? But is it also your first film? No? Yes? Wow! First time actor and first film sa Cinemalaya. So how do you feel right now?
I'm really excited, especially with Wendy Cinemalaya. I've been watching Cinemalaya since I was in college, so very happy.
Batchmates kami nito eh. Mga few years ago lang kami ng college. Excited din talaga ako.
Yes, sige.
Diba?
Ituloy natin
Sige
yan.
na lang, no? Sige na lang.
Nag-picture na po ba tayo?
Ayan, oo.
Picture na lang po tayo.
Sige, some picture all together now. And syempre, before we go, isang malaking A at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3!
Cinemalaya Bente. Congratulations.
Thank
Best
you,
of luck
thank
sa iyo.
you. Wishing you all the best for the next film.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello po! Si Direct Ching po ito. Nagulat ako kanina kay Direct Ching. Hello po! Ay, and alumni! Ito na po! We have, of course, J. Altarejos from 2010 and 2014, GB San Pedro from 2009 and 2014. Ang ating next, yes, come on in po, and then we want to get to know everyone. Kasi tayo dito, pwede pa nga tayo dito mo po, eh, ganyan. Ayan, so introduce po tayo ulit, one by one from this side, and say hello to the camera.
It was part of the 2013 shorts. Our short film was entitled Pukpok.
Pokpok. Pokpok. Martilyo. Martilyo. Yeah.
I'm Adi Buntuya, short filmmaker for Tayak 2013 and Lola 2014.
Julius Mayauro Jr., 2019 short film entitled Amherst School.
I'm GB San Pedro, filmmaker 2009 Astig and 2014 sa Palares.
Hi, I'm Jay Alcareros, 2010 Team Calvado, and 2014 Kasal, Best Film. Salamat.
Hello, I am Mike, part of last year Cinemalaya. Baka masabay ba?
Hello, I'm Yoshiro Tanaka from the Japan Foundation.
Konnichiwa, sir!
You look Filipino. We were confused. Sorry, sir.
Yes. Gusto po namin malaman ni Nico Manalo bilang mga aktor, paano po kami maka-audition para makasama sa mga films niyo very soon?
Ano po kayo kukontakin?
Opo. Talaga, or baka mamaya mag-iwan na lang po kami ng... Di ba? Gusto rin na. Ito na po pala.
Tuturo na ako ni Ronnie Lazaro.
You guys, I wanna ask you, how does it feel? Kapaniwala ba na, wow, 20 years na pala itong Cinemalaya, and you all are part of Cinemalaya history. How does that feel? Just a quick and short answer, reflection, ganyan. Ay, lahat binibigay ko kay Sir Jay. Sir Jay.
Best film.
It's nice, no? Sinabi mo, and I also have a film which is, will have its Philippine premiere, Guardian de Honor here. I premiered at Moscow and competed in Vietnam. So it's nice to be back because Cinemalaya has always been home to our films, and it's really great to be celebrating our birthday. Thank you.
Thank you. Sino po? Yung sumisalita. Pag tinanong mo sila, yung sumisalita.
Siyempre, we're honored na part kami ng 20 years na Cinemalaya. Cinemalaya is my family.
Thank you very much. We're so excited. Si Sir naman po.
How do you feel right now?
Yeah, so Japanese movie po.
Thank you very much. We're very honored. And at this time, we have two very special films for us. Konobansho and Nito. Because the film is taking place in Japan and also in the Philippines. So I hope you have a chance to watch those films. Thank you.
Yes!
Has always been working hand in hand with CCP. We thank you for that. We are grateful. Thank you so much.
Wow, pasikat, diba? 7-Eleven. Wow, pasikat. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed tonight's opening ceremony. Thank you very much. Okay, so up next here on our CCP Red Carpet, we're gonna be having the cast or no, the creators of our opening film, Gospel of the Beast. So let's all welcome them here.
Oh, they're not here yet? Oh.
Or mamaya pa pala yun.
Okay, let's just call on Mr. Ronnie Lazaro because he has been waiting.
Standby na lang po sa ating Gospel of the Beast.
Okay, what do you want to talk about? Okay.
Sister Ronnie, dito tayo, Sir Ronnie. Yes.
Oh, of course.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Ayan. O, sige po.
Tuturo kasi ako eh.
Ano gagawin natin dito? Oo. Isang muna. Isang A muna. Isang A.
Kaya naman kaming A.
Ano ba yun? Usong-uso kasi
Kaya
siya.
sige. Sir Ronnie, ano ba yung unang pelikula sa Cinemalaya?
Oo.
Sir Ronnie, ano ba yung unang Memorable film. Okay. Kami hindi nag-mix kahit kanino yung talento mo. Kaya kanina hinata kita, pinauna kita sa iba.
How many years already?
Really, truly an honor. Parang hindi po Cinemalaya or any Philippine cinema talaga nakasama talaga doon si Sir Ronnie Lazaro.
Yes, so much.
Talagang nakatatak yan. We're very honored and thank you for joining us today. Yes, you see inside. Enjoy, Sir Ronnie.
Gospel of the Beast. You are actor there. Oh, Gospel of the Beast. Akala namin filmmakers sila.
Oo.
Oh, sige, explain natin.
Ito na lahat.
Co-actor.
I mean, of course, makikilala ko talaga to because this is John Denver trending, di ba? My goodness, and right now we're here for Gospel of the Beast. Yes po. Okay, can you share kung ano yung Nako, what can you share about Gospel of the Beast sa ating audience? And also, magpakilala po tayo muli sa lahat.
Hello po, ako po si Jason Marcosa.
Kilala ka na?
Isa po ako sa mga actor sa pelikulang Tagalog.
Yes, actor. The opening film. So, how excited are you nung panoorin nila yung opening film?
I'm so excited na po rin. Sana magustuhan niyo lahat ng nanonood sa Coffee.
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta mo.
Alam mo kami talaga, excited na kami mag-nood. Yes, I'm glad na mapapanood ko ulit namin. At syempre sa Sinimalaya na naman.
Yes, baka trending ulit to.
Wow! Ang galing ko talaga. Nico Manalo, you're such a pioneer! My goodness! E palakpakan po natin ang Gospel of the Beast. And they're all gonna proceed inside and
Picture
Picture muna tayo, picture muna.
Wala na pong Gospel of the Beast dyan? Okay.
Ivan.
Ay, tumatakbo. Sir, ano? Oh, congratulations.
Join us over here. And yes, kailangan ko po ng inyong tulong sa pag-announce ng title ng film na to.
Ganun ba?
Ng short film. Kasama po natin si Ray Anthony Villaverde. Pero pakilala po tayong lahat. At ipakilala po ang title ng film na to. Para siguradong tama yung pag-pronounce natin.
Ayoko magkamali.
I'm Justin Lawrence. I play Mayong
hapon, I am Mariel Barbaso and I am one of the cast and also in charge of the sound of the film.
Hi everyone, I am Ray Anthony Villaverde, the writer and director of the short film Upload. Wala ko kapalot sa ititle.
How does it feel to be part of this year's Sinimalaya? And anong nagbahay po ito? Galing mo sa probinsya na ano po yung inyong sinabing lengguwahe? Anong dialect rather? Bisaya po ba ito? Cebuano. Okay, so how does it feel to represent a regional short story po para sa ating mga audience?
I am very grateful to Sinimalaya and the CCP kasi they broadened their reaches. Umabot po sila sa Mindanao. And through Sinimalaya, yung language po namin I present po namin to a wider audience nationwide.
And we are all looking forward to that. Once again, nationwide po ito at mapapanood natin ang kanilang short story. Okay? I hope you enjoy the opening ceremony at maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Yes, oh, and of course, picture muna bago tayo malis. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy. See you all inside.
Thanks so much. Congratulations. Alumni. Ayan. More alumni.
Please join us over here. Introduce yourselves and the year or years.
Yes,
kasama po kayo sa Sinimalaya. Yes po.
My name is Christian Paola. I'm an alumni from Sinimalaya 2022. My film was Ginhawa.
Hello, my name is Luis Hidalgo. I'm one of the directors of the 2016 film Makauna.
And with?
Hi, I'm Lou Leva. I'm an aspiring actress.
Okay, there are a lot of directors here tonight.
Perfect yan. And so what are you guys looking forward to for this year's Sinimalaya? Pente na eh. Diba? XX na. So ano yung nililook forward to ninyo?
I think I saw this year's finalists, and I think it's well shot, well produced, and I'm very excited. I look forward to seeing the opening film. I'm a big fan of John Denver trending as well, so I love that actor. So yeah, I'm a big fan of them too. I've seen John Denver trending, like I said. That's my favorite film that year, and I look forward to watching this film.
How about you, sir?
Just really looking forward to watching a lot of films, indie films, for this year. And just having a really great time.
And finally,
I'm actually looking really forward to Balota. It looks really good.
yes. Keep away banda. And yun na nga po, di ba? So I can't wait to watch the movies with you as well. And I hope you guys enjoy our opening film inside. Thank you very much.